For this Collate clue, we're going to look at how profiling works in Collate as part of data observability. How this works is that Collate can scan and gather metrics about your data. Stats collected include data type, null percent, unique percent, distinct percent, number of unique values, and tests. So let's set that up. Starting from the data table view, click on the Data Observability tab. Let's check if this customer table has been profiled by clicking on Table Profile here on the left. We see no data, and the row count is also 0, so it's clear that profiling hasn't been done yet. Now let's take a look at the column profile. While we see all the column names and types, there are no associated stats, so we need to set that profiling agent up at the database service name level. A shortcut is to click on that name here in the breadcrumb at the top. Jump over to Agents here on this navigation tab. We want to edit the profiler agent, so click on the three-dot menu and click Edit. There are a number of filter pattern types that can include or exclude specific names or regex patterns. They include database, schema, table, and classification. For our example, we want to include the table customers, so we put that here. Profile sampling is an important concept. Consider having millions or billions of rows of data, a not unlikely situation these days. You don't want to scan your entire table every time to get profile data. To that end, Collate allows you to sample a percentage or a number of rows. These will be randomly sampled from the entire table to provide results. Our table is small, so we leave the sample size blank. We have some more advanced settings also available. These rarely need to be changed, and keep in mind if you turn off both table and column metrics, then you'll have no data sampled. Then we save it. Here's our common scheduling or on-demand dialog. We'll save it as on-demand. Back on the agent screen, we click the three-dot menu again to force a run of the agent. Once the agent completes, we go back to the column profile and we have a row count of 102, as well as column stats to give us a view of what is happening with our data. These should all be self-evident. Profiling your data as part of data observability is an important step for your organization. In just a couple of minutes, we showed how easy it is to set up and examine in Collate. Visit our website and try it for yourself.